In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Google Sheets. If you've ever tried dropping a PDF straight into Google Sheets, you've probably seen the layout fall apart. Columns merge, numbers turn into text, and everything looks messy. The simple fix is to convert the PDF into a CSV first, because CSV is a clean, table-friendly format that Sheets understands perfectly. Here's how to do it from start to finish. Start by opening a reputable free file converter online and upload your PDF. Choose CSV as the output format and start the conversion. This step translates the content of your PDF, ideally a table, into comma-separated values. If your PDF was originally generated from a table or a spreadsheet, you'll usually get a neat result. If it's a scanned image or a very complex layout, the converter may run optical character recognition behind the scenes, and results can vary. In that case, try to use the clearest version of your PDF and make sure the table lines and headers are easy to read. Once the conversion finishes, download the CSV file to your computer. Now open Google Sheets. You can start with a blank sheet or an existing one. Go to the File menu, click Import, and upload the CSV you just downloaded. When the import settings appear, leave the detection on Detect Automatically. That tells Google Sheets to figure out the right separator, whether that's commas, semicolons, or tabs, and to recognize dates and numbers correctly. Then click Import Data. You should see your information flow neatly into rows and columns, with each value landing in its own cell. This is the key benefit of using CSV. Sheets doesn't have to guess where the table begins and ends, because the structure is already baked in. If the data looks great, you're done. If a column looks a bit tight, you can quickly resize the headers so everything is visible. If any long text wraps oddly, turn on text wrapping so it's easier to read. And if numbers are left aligned like text, apply a number format to make calculations work as expected. A quick note on accuracy. The cleaner your original PDF, the better your CSV will be. Multi-page tables usually convert fine, but if headers repeat on every page, you may want to delete those extra header rows after import to keep your sheet tidy. That's it. Convert the PDF to CSVs, import with automatic detection, and let Google Sheets do the rest. No broken layouts, no manual retyping, just a fast, reliable workflow that gets your data exactly where it needs to go.